we are Nokal, welcome to our channel. So today we are doing an outfit video because it's been a while. And we wanted to do like how we style Jordan, Nike shoes for a while. And now that it's summer and we're starting with the like changing clothes and everything, we thought it was the perfect time.
Yeah.
So that's what we did. We both have like 2 sneakers.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have like the slippers
Slippers.
between Stüssy and Nico slippers that they released like not a while ago.
Yeah, a while ago.
So we decided to like do 4 looks each. So that's it.
Yes.
If you like this video, please subscribe down below,
And like the video.
and comment if you want like other how we style or some suggestions, and we will try to make them. And with all that said, let's start.
Okay, so the first outfit we prepared was using these Jordans. That we did like a sneakers collection, but these ones weren't in.
Yeah, they were not there
because
because
these ones like the most recent purchase.
We will leave the video of the sneaker collection down here in
And the unboxing.
And the
of these
unboxing
Jordans though. So for this look, since the sneaker is like very with pastel colors and like kind of like in the light side.
Yeah, super light.
Yeah. I tried to make like a whole outfit using like colors and more
Pastel colors mainly.
colors, which is not something I normally wear.
No.
But at the same time, I tried it out and it looked nice. So yeah, for this I paired up with the my jeans from the Rack Priest, which are checkered in
Like
pink.
yeah, it's like
Like
peach,
pink,
like
yeah, like-
peach.
Yeah.
I would say.
And then with a lilac top, which is like it suits perfectly.
Yeah, it goes with everything. And then she put on like a belt, a black belt, to tie it like this area
This dark side
with the belt, because if not, it was like too pastel. It
Yeah.
needed like a pop or something.
Yeah,
So
and it helped to pair it
Yeah.
together and look very nice. And yeah, even though it was like a light,
No, it suits you because I think the checks are more edgy and also like the sneakers make it sporty. So
Yeah.
I liked it. Yeah,
it was very nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Really summer.
Yeah.
For once. Okay, the next outfit is my outfit, and I did it with these Jordans. We will leave also the unboxing here down below if you wanna like check in detail the shoe. This is such a beautiful shoe.
I don't know how many times I've said that, but
I
it's
just
so
really
beautiful.
love it.
It's so beautiful.
It has like the greenish tones and also like this pinkish lilac. It's not even pink or light.
No, it's just in between.
So I decided to pair it with a shirt that I have that is this color, that I thought it would be like tie everything together. And I also like pair it with a plaid skirt to make it a bit girly, but in the sporty side.
Yeah, I really like the look with the skirt and the Jordans.
Yes. And the skirt right now fits big on me, so I tied like a chain because I did not want a belt. But I tried the chain, and I think it gave a bit of like edgy point to it. And basically that's it, and some sunglasses to make it with vibes.
And more summer.
And more summer too. Yes. No, it's a really comfy outfit. I really like it, and I love how this and the top just the same color. So
Very nice.
very nice.
For my next outfit, I used this wrap that you maybe have seen already. And yeah, it's an outfit that I wasn't sure if I would like be comfortable wearing.
Yeah, it's a bit out of the comfort zone.
Yes, but it's like so comfortable.
I mean, it's really comfortable and easy, to be honest.
Yeah,
Like black
so
top
easy.
with black cycling shorts.
and then just the sneakers that are so comfy. And then like the sunglasses, that it's like the perfect color.
Yeah.
When I bought them, I don't know, like I didn't think about it, but
It's the same color.
yeah, it matches perfectly. But yeah, I put it on and like it's so easy. I think I'm gonna be wearing that
Yeah.
a lot for the summer.
We missed like a bag, an armpit bag, but we don't have one like in bluish or black yet. we bought one,
Yeah.
but it's not here yet. So that's why something is missing. But besides that, I really like the outfit.
Yeah.
It's comfy, easy. I mean, maybe not to go for work, but
No, I don't
around
think
the
so.
city, I really like. It's like a comfy outfit to go around the city in summer because Jesus Christ is hot.
Yes, yes. But that, so easy.
So easy. For my next outfit, I use also like my other mid Jordans that I have, the apricot orange. And fun fact, we bought the sunglasses the same day, the blue ones. But I got similar ones in orange. They're not exactly the same, but they are really similar, and they match the shoes too. So that's funny.
We're doing
Amazing. We love it. And to be honest, this outfit, I wear this kind of outfit, changing the top a lot in summer because it's just too hot to think about it in the morning. Just like I get dressed, and this is such a comfy outfit that I love. And then sometimes I change the top. These days I've been really obsessed with this one. It's like a bit lacy. I like it. It's really comfortable.
It's just like not just your plain black top, you know?
Yeah, it has like something. And then I used like a butterfly necklace
Cute.
to make it a bit more like 2000. And then the shoes to give a pop of color, and also like the sunglasses
Matching.
to match. I love it. I just love the sunglasses, to be honest. But yes, easy outfit, comfy. I think everyone can recreate that kind of outfit. So
Yes.
and I like did not use jeans because it's too hot. But you can use jeans if you want. But I just don't use
hot.
them. Don't.
So the next outfit is actually the one I'm wearing right now.
Yes.
Yes.
It is.
And for this I use the slippers, which are the
collab. Yeah.
the collab with Stüssy and Nike here. And yeah, so that's like a very comfortable outfit.
Yeah, basically like what we wear at home, but a bit like one step forward.
Yes.
To go out.
Yeah, like I have to go to the supermarket, just
Use that one.
that one.
Yeah, because it's like it's really comfortable, but at the same time you have like your Stüssy slippers and your Stüssy shirt, and it makes like a street outfit.
It works,
And it's really comfortable.
and it's very comfortable. Like when it's hot and you don't like,
And it's light also.
and you don't wanna wear like things too tight.
Yeah.
It's just like so flowy and works.
And the
perfectly
color
for
helps
me.
a lot.
Yeah, and this color.
And also the shorts are like just really comfortable.
So comfortable.
The length is really nice for summer because it doesn't like shave or anything. So because it happens to a lot of people.
No, it happens. It
Girls
happens.
with thighs understand.
It happens. It happens.
But yes,
Perfect size.
super comfortable.
So nice.
For my next outfit, I'm using again the Dutch green mid Jordans, and actually it's like a full Nike outfit. See, you know, I don't have that many colors in my wardrobe. I mean, I love fashion, but colors on me just something I'm still exploring.
It depends on the colors,
The
but
color.
the pastels, like it's easier. I
Yeah,
think.
on me I don't know why, because normally I dress really edgy, but pastel colors weirdly suit me better than some other kind of colors. But they need to be normally always on the like cold side.
Yes.
Warm colors on me, I just don't really like them. It's just, I mean, the skin type, the skin colors, it's just how it works. But I'm experimenting more with colors, so stay tuned for that in the future. I really am. I am trying here. But yes, I bought some like shirts from Nike, and they are like the same color as the laces. Okay, it's like I have a top, I have a pants,
it works.
and that's how I match it. Okay. It's how I survive summer, let's be real, because in winter I just step my outfit, like I like layering and everything.
It's a little bit easier maybe to experiment.
But in summer normally it's a bit hard for me to buy clothes because they're like or too girly or too flowy or too light, so I have to find some kind of pieces that I can work with. So I'd rather spend like more money on one kind of like clothing item instead of buying a lot because I will not wear. So that's what I did with the Nike pants. And also I'm wearing like a Nike sport bra that is really comfortable, and sometimes I also wear it outside.
It works as a
because it's
top.
really nice and comfy. So in summer I just use it as workout outfit, And also outside.
Just change the pants and you can go out.
To be honest, summer is basically that. It's just like what you are wearing at home to survive, you wear it the same outside but with a touch.
And some shoes and
then you go out. But yeah, it's a really nice outfit and these shorts are really comfortable. And also, as I said before with her shorts,
like the size.
The length is really nice because if not, I shave like the thighs and that's painful. So we don't want that.
We don't want that.
Also, please excuse that I look pale, so pale. I just can't get tan.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
And
so I might blend with the pants, but that's fine. That's fine. I accept.
It works.
It works.
Yeah, I like it. For my last outfit, I used my Jordans again. And yes, these are the same shorts that Carla has, but
We have a
in
problem.
mint.
Yes, we have a problem. But it's not even mint. It's like
Like aqua greenish tone.
it's like muted green.
Okay, muted
Well,
green.
Everyone can call it as they want to, but
Muted green.
muted like
We're going
green,
for that.
pastel muted, something like that.
But yeah, it's the same shirt that Carla bought. And when she bought it, I really liked it, but there weren't any other colors. But then
Not
checking
in-
on, no,
in the
not
store,
in the
no.
store. But then checking online, it was like, you know what? I might as well because
Yes, and
summer I also needed some shorts.
yes, because
And-
we don't normally wear shorts.
Mm.
Not that we lost weight, we're more comfortable wearing them. But last year, for example, we never did. Actually.
No, and so we didn't have any shorts.
Mm.
So this one was very nice, like the color I really liked, and when Carla tried it on, it was like, yeah, it works.
Yes.
So yeah, I paired it up, it works again with the colors of the shoe, because why not? And then just a top, like a black top, and
crop top, yeah.
yeah, black crop top that I like. It's an easy go-to top. And then I paired it up also with my bucket hat, my Kangol bucket hat. And yeah, I think it's so easy for summer.
Yes,
and
it's easy.
it's easy, comfortable, and you look good.
Okay, you look good. Got it. Bye. For my last outfit, I also used the slippers from Stüssy and Nico, and I wanted to make it like super comfortable, but also a bit more edgy, because sometimes I do that. I just take like men's clothes, basically oversized shirts that
Yes.
I like, and I buy them in like a big size, and then I just wear them as a dress.
Then it's more oversized.
More oversized. Basically, just make them into a dress. And underneath, I was wearing like some short biker shorts, but you can't even see them. So, but they are there, okay? I don't expose my butt to anyone.
It's fine.
And I use this one that I have with like blue flames that I really love, with some chains. Actually, I'm wearing it, to be honest. I forgot about it. With some chains, and then the slippers, which is like really comfortable, and also to make like the outfit more, not more, but maybe like look like I made an effort. I use the bucket hat, of course.
Of course. Yeah.
It's always a bucket hat. Sometimes the outfit is missing something.
Just throw on the
bucket hat.
Yeah.
But it's a really comfortable outfit, to be honest, and I would wear it anywhere, at work even, because with the shorts underneath, I feel like comfortable wearing it. But yes, basically it's just throwing a huge oversized shirt that you like, any color, any type, just
Put on some
and the
some
slippers.
chains, and you're good to go.
Yes, you can also call it combini outfit. We call it like that, so you can
Yeah.
go to the convenience store and buy shit and just go back home. See, I don't do much in summer. I just go work and go to the supermarket.
Too hot.
The problem here in Barcelona is that it's too humid. I mean, it's hot.
It's hot, but not as hot as other places. But the humidity just makes it
terrible.
everything sticky and
Yes, you can't even breathe. It's terrible.
Mm.
I mean, we have aircon, but it's too expensive, so we try to like don't use it that much. Please support us. Subscribe. So guys, this is the video. I hope you like the outfits. As I said before, if you have any like suggestions or anything like that, you can tell us in the comments. Don't forget again to subscribe so we can like turn on our air conditioner, please. Like the video so we know you liked it, or just maybe no,
maybe not.
maybe not.
It's
Maybe
okay,
you don't want
it's
me to do
fine.
this anymore. Just stick to the vlogs. Okay, I'll do that. But yes, I hope you liked it and see you in the next video. Bye bye!